All right, hi, and welcome to our how to make some hair. This is like one of two or three videos I'm going to make for this. And like there's different ways to make hair, so I'm going to show you all three ways. So let's get started. We've created our head first. Shift A. We're going to add a path, RC90. Sorry, RY90. Ah, where are we going? Okay, RY90. There we are. Then S, make it smaller. GY, GC, go up here. There's our hair strand like alfalfa. So to give this some volume, we're going to go to Shift A, curve, and add a nerve circle. GX, move it right here. And then go back to this strand right here. Go to like the line or the nerve's path properties. And go down where it says geometry bevel object, select the nerve circle, and this will kind of give it some volume. Show the caps if you like, or not. Then if we want to make this smaller, so we can just create like one little strand of hair, that works too. And then we can also just edit it, maneuver it, GY, so it's gives us some different shape, but we're not going to do that yet. All right, now let's edit this circle and give it like a different kind of shape, and depending on how you do it, you can get like a big strand or like a leaf shape. It really does help make things faster with creating like individual leaves. So spread the circle. We're gonna go with make it a little bigger just so we can see, and select both ends like this. We'll reduce the proportional editing here, so we don't want that. Let's see if we select these two as like we want it thin out like that, and then S, bring it smaller. No, that's pretty good. Okay. Now, that we have the overall general shape, we want to taper it so that the ends get smaller, and then we can edit the initial hair strand here and give it that curve. And this works for like big hair pieces or individual hair strands like that. So how we do that is we add some tapering, which is Shift A, curve, nerve circle, Bezier curve. All right, GX, bring it over here. Sorry about that noise. All right, so with this, let's go back to your hair strand and go to geometry, taper object, and then select your Bezier curve, and see, now it's got more refined shape. Go to edit mode, and we're gonna move things till we get that kind of shape we want. So here it's good. Now let's see, we want it thicker like this, right? So that's a nice kind of leaf but individual hair strand, so that's pretty good. And again, we can add more subdivisions to this and mix things around. Same thing with our circle curve here for the overall shape of the object, of the hair strand. So get out of that, go to our hair strand, press 3. Let's add some proportional editing before we edit anything. Tab, and we'll also do some subdivisions to make this easier to work with, so it's a little smoother. Then GY, all right, like that. Now we get a nice hair strand. Tab edit mode, and let's duplicate this a few times so we get what kind of we want. Let's add a color to this before we do anything. And please don't crash on me. Let's see, we're gonna give it some red hair. And we're gonna make this a little metallic. I really like metallic for some reason. And let's actually show the colors. So like that. All right. Now press 3, R, like that. No. R. Let's duplicate this. Shift D. Shift D. Shift D. All right, then Shift D. Press 3. Make it smaller. Oh wait, sorry. Don't do proportional editing for that one. You might need to move it like this. All right, press 1, Shift D. All right, and you kind of get the gist of it. And then we just kind of layer things out, our hair, and we can give it a nice overall shape. All right, that's about it. That's how you create hair pretty fast with some lines and a bunch of curves. All right, hope that helps. And until next time, sorry it was a little too long.